Hi, in this video we look at one of the most important topic, that is elevator pitch. What is the elevator pitch? An elevator pitch is a brief 30 seconds persuasive speech that is used to spark interest as to why someone should hire you. So the story goes like this. If you meet a very important person, or say Bill Gates in an elevator, or a Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg in an elevator, and you just 30 seconds to impress him, what is that you're gonna speak? So in those 30 seconds, your each and every word that you speak is very important, and you need to have a written script for that. So this elevator pitch gives you a very good impressive opening whenever you meet somebody in an interview, or when you just meet a senior manager and they ask you what do you do. They don't have so much of time to listen to your complete past experiences or the history of your work. You need to have a quick 30 seconds, about 100 words pitch as to what is that you have, what skills you have, and why someone should hire you. So this is the definition, and the word here is persuasive. All right. So I will give you a formula at the end of this presentation as to how you should write an elevator pitch and how you should go about it. All right. So the next slide. Now you may ask me, Manish, this all is fine, but why an elevator pitch? So the reason is that we are living in a world which is attention deficit, right? And we are living in a world of abundance. There's so much of knowledge and things coming from all the directions. We have a laptop, we have so many social media tools like Facebook, Instagram, the news, the alerts, SMS, WhatsApp, so many groups, right? So there's so much distraction. We are living in the world of distraction, and in this world of distraction, elevator pitch is a brief 30-second persuasive pitch as to why someone should hire you or what is the main strength. So this elevator pitch will create a demand for a want for more. It should make somebody to listen to more about you. And there are so many choices people have, right? So there are influx of options other than you. So why you? That's what elevator pitch will answer. And we are living in a shortened attention span, right? We are living in a world of distraction where we have the habit of checking our mobile phone for every 30 seconds or in between of our work and all. So this elevator pitch helps in this world of distraction. So coming to one thing now, what is that one question you should answer in your elevator pitch? So you have to show what is that value that you can bring, okay? So 24/7 it talks about only value. What value can you bring to the table when you're sitting across to someone? So here's the formula for elevator pitch. I am a dash, that is what you're currently working as, your title, your expertise, who achieve X, does X to get results. So here I have to put some facts and figures. So I'll come up with an example in the end as per this particular formula. And so whatever you achieved, maybe a good sales or good output, so what are the strength which helps you to achieve that? So you can see here, I am a dash who achieves or who does these things by using my strength, whatever strength you are about it. And second formula for elevator pitch is, if you want to represent your company, or you want to say I can help XYZ company to reach some measurable goals in terms of figures or in terms of sales, revenue, or customer acquisition, using your past experience, your network, your talent, whatever. All right. So this is the second formula. So let us look at the example here. The first one is example 1. So I am a Salesforce technical analyst who was recommended by national and international clients. So it's very important to use here big brand names, so such as Aramark, then ExxonMobil, BAE Systems, and you're known for troubleshooting bug tickets using your tool called as Salesforce Management, which is your skill. Then the second one is I can help XYZ company to troubleshoot bug tickets for national and international clients using the Salesforce platform. The second one is the most shorter one. And second one is again, I'm a Salesforce technical analyst who perform code revisions to clients' processes through Apex Code, or I can help XYZ company to perform code revisions for client process using Apex Code, right? So start working on your elevator pitch, and do share with me that elevator pitch in the comment section, and I would love to review it and give you my feedback. So guys, the other benefit of this elevator pitch is you can use it everywhere. It could be used in your visiting card. You can make a 30-second video. You can use it as a Facebook story. You can use it on your status, or it could be a short introduction which you can send to somebody across WhatsApp. There are lots of ways you can use this once you prepare a good elevator pitch, and trust me, it will open a lot of possibilities for you. So all the best, and I look forward soon for your elevator pitch. Thank you.